Welcome to another video discussing the Kadence WordPress theme. Kadence is a highly popular WordPress theme renowned for its extensive feature set, which has contributed to its widespread acclaim. However, there are certain features within Kadence that may affect the overall appearance and user experience. For instance, let's address the border display issue that can occur when utilizing the menu system in sidebars. Let us write some code to fix it. To begin, I assume you've already installed the Kadence theme and have a menu system in place, which includes some submenus. Now let's navigate to the Widgets section. Add a navigation menu to the sidebar. Ensuring that you select the option to collapse submenu items. Preview the sidebar menu, refresh the page, and take a look. While the menu functions correctly, you may notice unwanted borders. To resolve this, we'll apply some custom CSS code. Here's the CSS code I'm writing. Save this code by publishing it. You can then preview the changes by refreshing the page, and you'll see that the borders have disappeared. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.